In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Docs to either Word or PDF format smoothly and efficiently. This tutorial is perfect whether you're sharing documents with someone who prefers different formats or simply wanting to ensure compatibility with other software applications. By following these steps, you can easily convert your Google Docs into either a Word document or a PDF and have them ready for distribution or storage. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head to the search engine of your choice and type in Google Docs. You'll want to click on the relevant link to open Google Docs. If you've already got Google Docs bookmarked or have a direct link, even better, just click and open. Once you've reached the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Ensure you use the credentials associated with the account where your document is stored. If you're already logged in, it might automatically take you to your Google Docs dashboard. Great. Now, within this dashboard, navigate to and open the specific document you want to convert into another format. Once you've opened that document, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you will see the File option. Click on that. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. Hover your cursor over the Download option. This action will expand another menu showing different file formats you can choose from. For those looking to convert their document into a Word format, you'll select Microsoft Word, .docx. Once you click on it, Google Docs will automatically begin the conversion process, and your document will be downloaded as a .docx file to your computer. Similarly, if your aim is to export your document as a PDF, you will direct your attention to the PDF document, .pdf option in the same drop-down menu. Click on that option, and just as with the Word document, it will automatically convert and download the file to your computer in PDF format. And there you have it. Your Google Doc is now successfully exported to your desired format, ready to be shared with others or stored for future use. Remember, switching between different file formats can offer a lot of flexibility and accessibility, and these straightforward steps make the process a breeze. If you follow these instructions each time, you'll master converting Google Docs into Word or PDF formats with ease and precision. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.